Okay, so for our assignment this week, we were supposed to purposefully not overwrite our file, which I didn't. I snapshot my old file, and there's a link to it on the page. Create paragraphs for text, put all of our sections into divs, style all of our elements, include a table, create a horizontal or vertical navigation bar. I chose vertical, and then commit everything through GitHub, submit a link, and then set everything up to your jail. We can see my code right here, and this is my site. This is my home page. These are usually going to be green, but this time they are yellow because I've already clicked on them, and I have them set both for hover and to go from green to yellow once they've been clicked on. As you look down through here, I styled all of my elements. I set it up for multiple different ones considering the things that we're going to be doing in the future. I have one set out for a future assignment, and I have alternate ones for another assignment in the hopes of creating a light and dark mode as a personal lover of dark mode. But these right here are my standard ones. You can see that it's not really white on top for H1, it's white smoke. And then we have, this is technically Parmesan in hex. And I have different pictures. I have my table right here, with my email, link to my LinkedIn, and a link to my GitHub. These also, as you can see, have been clicked already, but they usually would be green. When you see them, they will be green. You can click here, you can go to my page, you can see the first animation I did, which is a type out. The second is here, you can see all of my paragraphs fade in. It does the same on both of these. Here, I'll do this again so that you can see it, and I'll go over how I did that in a second. And then here's my snapshot of the first week, set on mod 2 in my nav bar over here, and then just back to home, it's the same. And then here we can see I set my body as my background as BG for background. I was going for a theme of looking like it's in a terminal for computer science. I just thought it would be cool. It's kind of matrixy. And then we can see I had to split my main out for I had to split my H1 out for main for the animation. Basically what it does is it shows inline block, that's what keeps it in the center. And then we have overflow, no wrap, and border right. Basically what this does is it omits what's already there, and then it's over 0.7 seconds, it types it all out and reveals each separate one. And then I also added, and see transparent, I also added the blink here. Basically that's what causes this cursor up on top. So you can see it, it goes all the way over and then it sits and blinks, which is pretty cool. I did get a little bit of help with that one from Claude AI from Anthropic. You can also see down here I have another one for the paragraphs. They fade in from opacity 0 to opacity 1, just a really fast. You can see my underline, my hover, and visited on here like I was talking about with these. And I plan on adding in my nav bar over here a number of my other projects from my other classes and having them split out by tables as well, like we have in the table down here, which is down at the bottom. You can see the table data, the table header, and our rows. Basically, it just does, as you can see down here, my email, my LinkedIn, and my GitHub. I'm not going to put my phone number on the internet. And I'm going to turn everything in.